Hey guys, I'm currently making some barbecue chicken sliders. I've let my my barbecue chicken cook in the crock pot all day. I took the sliders and I put them in this dish, and then I scooped out all of the barbecue chicken. So this is where I'm at right with it. And then the potato buns, that's what those are. They're potato buns. And now we're about to put some pepper jack cheese. I have some sliced. I love hot pepper cheese. Okay, and we're just gonna stack it all over. Just put that all over. Yum, yum, look how beautiful. Add the buns back on top. Yum. Cover them with foil. Put them in. Wow. Yum.